So hello friends, yeah, this is something which is creating a problem for all the CANAM buggies. Just a basic problems. So here you see a water pump and oil pump. So in the center you have a wheel, right? This wheel, okay. So basically what happens is, as you can see here, the wheel is totally like grinded with the engine. So as you can see, this is totally gone. So basic problem of a knocking engine is just this wheel, okay, just this wheel. So whenever you're having a problem with the CANAM buggy, just replace this and your knocking noise goes off. So whenever you have any knocking noise, do one thing: open this portion, just check for this wheel. If this wheel is shaking, yeah, so you just change it. I have faced problems, and this is the best solution.